Hello everyone, I'm Nancy Mazo and welcome back to my YouTube channel Notably Nancy. If you're subscribed, thanks for your support. If you're new to my channel, welcome to our online community. Please subscribe to my channel where you will learn weekly tips, tricks to help you be the best teacher that you can be. Okay, let's get to it. Ready, set, grow. I want to tell you about a course that I took called Beyond Teaching English as a Second Language Online, and I want to discuss with you and explore with you 4 reasons why this was a great course for me to grow my business and why I think it could be a great course for you to grow your business. So let's get to it. Okay. This course teaches you how to set up your own YouTube channel and how to use affiliate marketing and coaching to start making money independently with your brand. Okay, now you might be wondering, but Nancy, why is this important? Here are 4 reasons that I want you to consider. Okay, number 1, I have been teaching online for over 4 years. Okay, and what I came to the conclusion about is that there are limited teaching hours in a day. Okay, so maybe you could, like me, be looking for ways to expand your business beyond the idea of taking on more and more teaching hours. Now, like I said, I've been teaching online for 4 years. Okay, over the summer, I was teaching 8 to 10 to 12 back-to-back classes a day. Okay, and I realized that in order to keep my joy in teaching, and because I really love what I'm doing, I needed to cut back on that, but I still want to be making a certain amount every month that I'm bringing into our family household. So I was looking for ways to, expand in addition to taking on more teaching hours. Okay, this course is a 12-week course that teaches you what to do to have a successful YouTube channel, and it helps you avoid the mistakes that new YouTubers typically make. Okay, it's a 12-week course, so you can really be working on it at your pace and go back to review and check out certain sections, and there's really no pressure in terms of the time. Okay, number 2, you have a supportive cohort of like-minded peers to bounce ideas off of and get information from. Okay, so I'll just tell you a funny story from me. I had a Facebook question, and I wrote into my peers and cohorts, "You can laugh at me as long as you help me, but this is my question." It's really a supportive group, and I'm sure that in your course it will continue to be a supportive, helpful, really motivational group. Okay, number 3, you have the flexibility to explore in this course how to grow your business using your talents and creativity. Okay, for example, some people in the cohort grew their business by coaching. Some people grew their business by offering products online. Others open online stores. Others, like me, are using YouTube as a platform to share their experiences to help others. Okay, in my brick and mortar career, I am a mentor of new teachers, so I actually go into classrooms of new teachers and help them to be the best teachers they can be, and I really felt like I wanted to share my experience in the online teaching with online teachers to help them be the best they could be. So that's how I'm using it. Okay, number 4 and last thing to consider, okay, at the end of this week and the beginning of the next week, you have an opportunity to sign up for a free masterclass to further explore if this is a good course opportunity and fit for you. Okay, so click the link and see what would be a convenient time for you to get more information about this. As I said, it's free. It's a 45-minute to an hour live online masterclass where you can interact, you can ask your questions, you'll get more information, and really invest in yourself this time and check out if this course would be a good way for you to grow your business at this time. So again, ready, set, grow. You'll be really happy you did. Also, if you have any questions you'd like to ask me about my experiences in the course, you can email me at notablynancy@gmail.com, and I'll be glad to answer your questions and help you to make this important decision in your career. So, happy teaching, think about it, and see you again next week. Bye!